Amanda, a registered dietitian with Henry Ford Macomb Hospital. The vegetable of the week this week are zucchini and yellow squash. Just a half a cup of sliced zucchini is a good source of vitamin C. Yellow squash and zucchini are summer squashes, which are eaten when they are still immature, small, and have a soft rind. Summer squash are completely edible, skin, seeds, flesh, whether it be raw or cooked. Zucchini is the most common variety of summer squash. Other varieties might include patty pan, sunburst, and yellow. When picking out your zucchini and yellow squash, pick those that have smooth, shiny skins and feel heavy for their size. Today we're making a recipe called Cheesy Zucchini Dip using both the yellow squash and zucchini. To make the Cheesy Zucchini Dip, you need 2 medium zucchini that are shredded, 1 medium yellow squash shredded, 2 medium tomatoes that are finely diced. You can also use a 1.5 cups of canned diced tomatoes as well. 2 tablespoons of fresh basil that's chopped. If you don't have fresh basil, you can substitute 1 tablespoon of dried. 1 8-ounce package of a fat-free cream cheese cubed up. 2 cloves of finely chopped fresh garlic. If you don't have fresh garlic, you can also use 2 to 3 teaspoons of the bottled chopped garlic or 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And you need a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So you're gonna start by combining the garlic, the basil, and the tomatoes in a large pot. So our garlic, our basil, and the tomatoes. And then I'm going to cook this over about a medium heat for 10 minutes. You want it to simmer, stirred occasionally, and the mixture should start to look like a tomato sauce. Now that my mixture looks like tomato sauce, I'm gonna add the shredded zucchini in and the shredded yellow squash in. And I'm gonna give it a mix. I'm gonna keep the heat at about a medium, and I'm gonna put a lid on it and cook it for about 20 minutes. Now that the zucchini mixture has cooked for about 20 minutes, it's well softened. I'm gonna turn my heat off. I'm gonna add my black pepper in, and then I'm gonna add the diced cream cheese in. I'm going to keep mixing it until the cream cheese completely melts. It's going to be a little bit creamy. And then you can keep it in a form like this where the zucchini is shredded in there, or you can also add it to a blender and blend it up a little bit as well. The dip is now complete. I like to serve it with some baked pita chips, some celery sticks, or even some carrot sticks. Enjoy! Thank you so much for listening to the Vegetable of the Week, all for you, from Henry Ford Macomb Hospital.